If we look at our image now after changing the blend mode to overlay, we can see that, sure enough, the contrast and color saturation have both been increased dramatically. Adobe Photoshop tutorial image. The image after changing the blend mode of Layer 1 to Overlay. Step 3. Apply the Gaussian blur filter. Believe it or not, we're almost done. We can now add our soft focus/glow effect to the photo. With Layer 1 still selected, go up to the Filter menu at the top of the screen. Choose Blur, and then choose Gaussian Blur. This brings up Photoshop's Gaussian Blur dialog box. At the bottom of the dialog box, you'll see a slider bar which controls the radius value. The higher you set the radius value, the more blurring you'll apply to the layer. Drag the slider towards the right until the radius value is somewhere around 8 pixels. You may want to set the value a bit higher if you're using a high-resolution image. The best thing to do is to keep an eye on your image